All right, let's get into the after-hours market recap for Thursday, April 16th.
Here's what we're covering to get you set for tomorrow's open.
So, the S&P 500, it finished up 0.3%, hitting yet another record high.
The Nasdaq also hit a new record. That makes it 12 winning sessions in a row. Incredible.
And the Dow wasn't left out either, closing up 0.2%.
But look, these gains didn't just happen. It was all about a big intraday reversal.
We actually started the day in the red, but a huge midday tech rally pushed us to that record close.
And Keck was the real engine here. You can see it was led by Microsoft and the semiconductor index.
Inside the chip space, it was a split story. AMD soared on good chatter, while TSM fell despite strong AI demand.
Okay, let's check out the sector scorecard. This tells us how broad the rally really was.
Energy was the clear winner today. And what's interesting, the usually safe healthcare sector was the biggest loser.
So what was behind this? It was really about surging crude prices and some very specific corporate guidance.
All right, now for the earnings movers after the bell. These are going to set the tone for tomorrow.
And you know, everyone was watching Netflix when that closing bell rang.
And yeah, the stock is getting hit hard in after-hours trading, a really sharp drop.
This really just shows you, it's all about the forward guidance, not what they just did. Outside of Netflix, Alcoa's report was a miss. But on the other hand, the utility NiSource showed some real strength.
So what does all this mean for Friday? How should we be thinking about the open?
The big takeaway? The bullish mood is really just in a handful of leaders, mostly big tech.
So the big question for tomorrow is, can anyone else join the party, or is it all on tech's shoulders?